What's up? Welcome back to another tutorial video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm gonna go up and pull up 5 ticker symbol with a great potential move on the upcoming days or week. If you're new to this channel and you like the content on this video, please subscribe, like, and hit that bell notification for more videos like this. In the past few months, I called out a few ticker symbol and I made a video recap on those call out. I'm gonna go on and put the link on the description below. Now let's get to work. Oh, let's start out with ticker symbol CPSS. CPSS look like it's been a great start, uptrending, form a resistance level, and we have a support level. The stock break the resistance level with a bullish candle, and since then it never traded below the 20-day moving average. Okay, I'm expecting this stock to retest the 20-day moving average as it did right here. This is one, test it, test, and test. So I'm expecting this stock to do that again, then I will jump into it. Next ticker symbol DHX. DHX form a trend line. We have this resistance level and we have a support level. Every time that is stock far away from the 20-day moving average, gets ready for a reversal. Now we have two chances. It may hit the 20-day moving average and reverse back up, or drop to the previous support level. So we don't know. In that case, I'll be watching this stock right here and see which direction it's taking. It has to go back and retest the support level. And if we look down here, we look at the MACD indicator. MACD indicator showing downtrend as well as the RSI indicator. So let's go back into another ticker symbol. Next ticker symbol DXLG. DXLG, another great stock to trade right there. It's about to break the resistance level. 85 was the previous high. So I'm looking into 904. So if you stock break the resistance level right here and then it hit 904, I'll jump into this trade right away because I know that's gonna be an uptrend. It's gonna be it also means that more buyers is coming into the market right here. So if it break that, I'll jump into it. If I miss to get into 904 and then I have my my little B right there that says buy, I can even buy into 949. It's still the same. So basically you just definitely want to expect this stock to break the resistance level in order to get into the trade. But for me in that case, I'm looking at the RSI right here. It's looking downtrend, which I'm not worried much about it. And I also look at the MACD indicator like right here, which is looking uptrend. So we have a hammer right here looking uptrend. So I believe this is gonna be this will be breaking the resistance level anytime soon. So let's go back into another ticker symbol. Next ticker symbol ENOB. ENOB use the moving average as a support level. You can see right here it's been trading above the 8-day moving average and break it down and keep trading above the 8-day moving average and hit the 20-day moving average right here and bounce back. So in this case, I'm looking about to see just expecting this stock to break the resistance level right here. Or the trend line right here. Once it break it, then I'll jump to the trade. But there's one more thing that we'll have to look into. It's just the stock is just a little bit away from the 20-day moving average. So anytime soon it has to reverse and hit the 20-day moving average and then bounce back. Okay, and let's step into another ticker symbol. Last but not least, ticker symbol HBP. HBP, we want to do first to find the support level and the resistance level. So let's go on and do the trend line. We go from the bottom right here. That's the support level. I'm just going to find the highest point right here and then create the resistance level. So we have support and we have resistance. So my game right here is to wait for the stock to hit the support level right here, to hit support level to 976. Buy alert, and then I'm gonna go back and go back to my little letter sign, which means buy. Okay, so if it break it, then I'll say you know what, basically, yeah, if it break it, then I want to put this a little bit higher, chance. So either way, see the stock to break this resistance level, and when it breaks this resistance level, it means that more buyers are coming into the market. Here right here we have a doji, and probably it's still gonna come back and touch the 20-day moving average. We don't know. It will happen some point. You see, it really happened. It happened here, 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 and also here. But keep trending up and it pull back, this means it's going to break the resistance level right here, and then probably going to pull back into the 20-day moving average and then bounce back. That's the last ticker symbol on our list. I want to end up saying thank you for watching. As I mentioned earlier, if you like the content on this video, please subscribe, like, and hit that bell notification for more videos like this.